Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So I've got here a bike lock that I got a while ago, and the plastic is actually, I got it for free with a bike that I got. But the plastic on this thing has, I guess, sat out in the sun too long and worn away. I thought this was the Magnum logo. I'm not sure why it's on an OnGuard, but I don't know. I don't really care that much, but if you do know, leave me a comment, let me know. But this thing is sticky and gross, and the plastic is like, maybe it was rubberized at one point, but has worn away, and now this is like all sticky. It's pretty nasty. And after I'm done picking it, I'll show you that the this whole thing comes off, and I might even be able to pull it apart and gut it, but that would be interesting. Pretty sure it's all standard pins anyway, but still maybe an interesting thing to do. So let's see if I can get it open here. Feels like one of the pins is stuck. He's grimy. The cap literally feels like it's about to fall off on me. So another thing is you don't really know when it's open because it won't turn. So you have to like guess and then forcefully turn the key or the tensioner. There we go. It was probably open for quite a while, felt like it was. But yeah, so what a joy to pick. I don't think I'm ever going to play with this again, but I figured I'd do a video on it. So, alright, so that has deteriorated. This is completely wobbly. That whole thing comes off there. I'm guessing that, okay, so it is like, there you go, there's a pin holding it in there. Okay, so there's probably like a retaining pin there. You know what, for the hell of it, let me see if I can pry that off. Because why not? Yep, sure can. Alright. The hell is that? Alright, so we got this thing. What is that? That is very odd. I don't know. That pin's like smashed. Wow, this thing is, or the spring, this thing is awful. I don't know what the hell that is. It's like a metal rod that goes all the way up the chamber. Okay, there's the, whoa. Oh, nope, that was just a light. I was like, man, it looks like a mushroom driver, but nope, that was the light. Alright, so there's 4 pins. Is this thing gonna turn, or is there actually another pin stuck in there? There is not another pin. Or there is? I am so confused right now. Oh, yep, no other pin, so just a 4-pin lock. I don't know what the hell that is. Wonder if I can get the retainer to come out. Or this plug thing. Oh, yep, got it. Alright. What in the hell? So that was the plug retaining mechanism. This thing, just sitting down into the plug like that. Oh my god, that is awful. Alright, so it's actually just a 4-pin lock. So now at least we know that. But what a piece of garbage. Alright, glad we got that figured out. Then why is there that hole in the back there? That doesn't make any sense to me. What is this? I mean, it looks like there's something in there. Maybe there's a 6-pin version that's actually 5 pins? Oh, the actuator. So, okay, well, fun stuff. Absolutely pointless. Yeah, this thing is like, there's 6 holes. The 6th hole is not drilled all the way through, and it's slightly smaller in diameter to the rest of them. But, yeah, I will be promptly throwing this away. Alright, thanks a lot all. Take care. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it is, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Hey, so, I was just looking at this thing. There's actually countermilling. I don't know if it's intentional countermilling. I doubt it. But somehow the manufacturing process on this thing ended up with countermilling. Not that there's anything to do with it, but that just thought that was hilarious. So anyway, just wanted to add that. Alright, I'll take care.